Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Today I have another frame based on first year. Especially I have selected the questions from sequence and series, especially the base making, clearing the definition out. Let's see and find out question number 1. I have given the difference of the two consecutive terms is equal to n plus 1. Preceding terms subtracted from the preceding term. Preceding term subtracted from the preceding term is equal to n plus 1. Such type of relations are known as recursive relation. Their difference in n is positive and their difference in n is positive 1. And each successive term has the relation with the preceding. Preceding term has relation with preceding terms. Okay, it's given to us. Where lies the beauty? And furthermore, we have given the fourth term is equal to 14 and we are asked to find the fifth term. Look at this. If you are good enough at mathematics, put n is equal to 5. Put n is equal to 5 and everything rest works automatically. 5 minus 1, it will become 5 plus 1. If 5 minus 1, it will become 4, 6. Now look at it. This is the common difference of two successive term. Fourth term has been succeeded from fifth term, and furthermore we have given the fourth term. Nothing to worry about. Just check this out. We are asked to find a fifth term. Put n is equal to 5. The rest works automatically. What is value of a for 4? That is 14 plus 6. Then our fifth term is 6 plus 14. A5 is equal to 20. These such type of relations are known as recursive relations. Recursive relations in case of discrete mathematics. Recursive relation where each term has strong bond relation or making formula with the preceding term. Like natural numbers 1, 2, 3, keep on adding 1 to the next term. Plus 2 will become 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, and so on. Similarly, likewise, odd numbers, likewise, even numbers, and so on. There are so many examples to give. Okay. A5 is equal to 20. 6 plus, or you can say 20 term is our answer. There must be equal sign. A minus 4 is equal to 6. Now it's good, cool. 14 there is for A20 is our answer. Fifth term is 20 is our answer. Going to next term. What is the logic behind finding common ratio? Take any two successive terms, preceding terms is divided by preceding terms. There must be consecutive terms. Here, for formation root for GP is AR square, and so on. If you go to backwards, then divide by AR square, AR cube, and so on. How to find R? It's our concern. R is equal to A2 over A1, or A3 over A2, might be A4 over A3, might be A5 over A4, and so on. Take any two consecutive terms, preceding term divided by preceding term, If I put 1 here, it will give us A1 over A2. That is not the definition of common ratio. Similarly, if I put 1 here, it will give me first term divided by the second, A not divided by, it is not our case. What about this? Here, if I put 2 or 1, A1 over A naught, it works. If I put A2, n is equal to A2 over 2 minus 1 means A1. This obeys our definition of this one. Preceding term divided by preceding term. So that is our common ratio in that case. These are two consecutive, but preceding divided by preceding, that is not the case. We want preceding divided by preceding, further term divided by the prior term, A5 like A4. So our common ratio in that case is an over an minus 1. What about next question number 3? We have given some sort of relation. Determine the value of n when it is arithmetic mean between A and B. Arithmetic mean between A and B. It's equal to arithmetic mean. For what value of n? It is our arithmetic mean. Really cool to compare. Look at this. Compare powers of A. It will become n plus 1 is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1 minus 1, or thumb rule, n is equal to 0. Or there is no n. There is no A in the denominator. There is no term. There is no A in the denominator. So an must be A is equal to 0. So n is equal to 0. Either Compare numerator powers or denominator, you are going to get n is equal to 0, same answer. Let's verify. Put n is equal to 0 in that case. A 0 plus 1 over plus b 0 plus 1, a raised 0, b raised 0. We are familiar, a and b are not 0, a and b are not 0, a and b both are non-zero. Means a raised 1 plus b raised 1 over non-zero quantity having 0 power. Non-zero quantity having 0 power is equal to 1. We have a plus b over 2. Don't take it for granted. 0 power 0 cannot be equal to 1. Cannot be. It is indeterminate form. 0 raised 0, it cannot be equal to 1. Any non-zero quantity having 0 power is equal to 1. We are clearly explicitly mentioned that a is not equal to 0. Then it is equal to 1. Okay. So value of n in that case is r 0. 0 is the answer. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, a plus b over a raised 0, b raised 0, it's 2. Cool. Proceeding further. Fourth, we have just discussed what do you mean by common ratio of GP. In GP, common ratio remains same throughout the sequence, whatever the length of the term is. Now we have three terms, 1, x minus 1 and 3, they are in AP. They are in AP. Find x. Look at this. It's RA, it's RB, it's RC. That is our arithmetic mean between 1 and 3. X minus 1 is the arithmetic between 1 and 3. Central value is the mean of 1 and 3. Applying arithmetic mean formula, AM is equal to A plus B over 2. AM is, central value is x minus 1. It is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 2, 2. X minus 1 is equal to, so x is equal to 1 plus 2. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Okay. One can verify from the options. Put 3 here. 1, 3 minus 1. Sorry. 3 minus 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. The difference of these two terms is 1. The difference of these two terms is 1. Means it is AP. It's okay. So our value of x is 3 in that case. A good question. A good question. To me, one can say Shama Mafil. A minus B over B minus C is equal to A minus B. We have to sort out whether it is in AP, GP or HP. What are they? A minus B over B minus C is equal to A minus B. Look at this. We have given A, B, C. That is the mean. That is the mean. Depending upon the value of B, whether it is arithmetic, harmonic, geometric, solve for B. Solve for B. Solve for B. Solve for B. And you are going to arrive at the result. Cross multiplying B times A minus B is A times B minus C. It's AB minus B square, AB minus AC. Okay, AB cancel. Either shift AB here, it will become negative, or from right to left, it will become negative. They are cancelled out. What remains? Minus B square is equal to minus AC. Minus cancel. B square is equal to AC. Solve for B, taking the square root of AC. So B is equal to plus minus root AC. That is the definition of GM. That is the definition of GM. Means A, B, C, they are in GP. They are in GP. They are in GP. Because geometric mean is given by plus minus root x. Plus minus root x. Final question based on for what value of n, where x raised n minus 5 plus y raised n minus 5 over x raised n minus 6 plus y raised n minus 6, they are in HP, HM, harmonic mean. What should be the value of n? What should be the value of n? It represents harmonic mean, HM. X raised n minus 5 plus y raised n minus 5 overall, x raised n minus 6 plus y raised n minus 6, they must be equal to 2xy over x plus y. Look at this. Compare. There is no term x plus y in addition in the numerator. There is no term involving the addition of x and y. There is no term involving the addition of x plus y. So, comparing this one with n minus 5 is equal to 0, because there is no term having x plus y. n minus 5 or n is equal to 5. Or one can utilize from here, comparing the powers of x, n minus 6 is equal to x, it is going to be something larger. So x, it is the case, x raised n minus 5, there is no term having x plus y. So n minus 5 is our right answer in that case. Let's verify. Put x is equal, put n is equal to 5. X raised to 5 minus 5 plus y raised to 5 minus 5 overall. Here 5 minus 6 plus y raised to 5 minus 6. 5 minus 5 0. X raised 0 plus y raised 0 overall. X raised minus 1 plus y raised minus 1. Both x and y are non-zero quantities. X and y are non-zero quantities. They are equal to 1. 1 plus 1 over. How to simplify that? 1 over x. Turning the exponent to positive. Write in 1 over x, 1 over y. Taking LCM. 2 over taking LCM. It will become y plus x over x. Y plus x over xy. Double upon it must be shifted to numerator. 2xy overall x plus y. 2xy plus x over. Utilizing the option A is the right strategy, or compare. There is no term involving the addition of x plus y. That's why we have compared value of x or y is equal to 0. So n is equal to 5 is the right option in our case. It's my tiny effort to explain to you. Now sequence wise, I have selected all the questions from single topic, to give you good overview and good revision in no time. It's all by itself. Next.